Love is giving colored flowers, hanging socks on a chandelier, or jumping out of a fridge? Watch new funny couple pranks in our new video. Sweetie wants to frighten her darling. She's hiding in a fridge. It's crucial not to close the door from the inside because you may easily freeze. When Mickey comes to the fridge, I personally give him an orange. It's home fridge service. Surprise! Mickey feels as cold as ice. It's great that he has such a caring girlfriend. She brings a warm sweatshirt for her sweetheart right away. Attach a wide strip of double-sided tape to the back of a sweatshirt. Mickey puts on the sweatshirt and Sweetie takes off the protecting cover. He leans back on the couch gladly. Make yourself comfortable, darling. Meanwhile, Sweetie can't manage to open the ink. Oops, she must have tried too hard, so she's added some extra colors onto Mickey's sweatshirt. Pour disappearing ink onto the sweatshirt. It evaporates in a few minutes. The only thing left is a wet stain, which can be easily dried with a hairdryer. Mickey is outraged. His motto is not to wash his clothes, but now he will have to wash his sweatshirt. Sweetie makes it worse. She puts funny beads so that Mickey won't be distressed at his sweatshirt. Place some beads onto the floor in front of the couch. A family drama is happening. Scene 1, Mickey enters. He stands up, dragging the blanket attached with a tape to his back, slips on the scattered beads, and falls to the floor. This is a major fail. I will sneak a sweet powder compact into my girl's makeup bag while she is doing her makeup. Put powdered sugar into an empty powder container, compact it with a spoon, and clean the remains using a Q-tip. Sweetie opens the powder, but there's confectioner's powder instead of the makeup. What's this? It's Mickey's job. Let him get the powder right into his face. Mickey washes his face and comes to pat Sweetie on her head. It's all right, baby. You're forgiven. Style your amazing hair with this eco hairbrush. Take the bristles off a plastic brush. You will need a little cactus. Put on a mitten, not to prick your hand, and take the cactus out of the pot. Shake off the soil. Cut off the root and cut it lengthwise. Attach a half of the cactus to the brush. Sweetie brushes through her hair without even taking a look at the brush. Is it actually a cactus with a handle? Who has come up with the idea to let the nature so close to my head? It's definitely Mickey. The cactus brush is a new way of natural and stylish hairdo. I'm going to make delicious tea for Mickey. I will add confetti to the kettle. If it has a filter, take it out. Put confetti into an empty kettle. Mickey's come to the kitchen to get some tea. Let him make the tea himself. But he gets a party carnival out of the kettle instead of hot water. We announce a tea party. Let Sweetie have a party too. I will give her some juice out of a balloon. Take an empty juice carton and tuck a balloon inside. Fasten it to the neck. Color water with food coloring. Mix it and pour it into the balloon. Screw the cap thoroughly. Sweetie opens the juice carton, and a little fountain sprinkles on her. No offense, it's Mickey's fountain of love. I've cooked the most delicious dessert for my boyfriend. These are cream puffs sprinkled with my tenderness and care. Sprinkle cream puffs with flour. Mickey is happy to get a cream puff, but I blow at him as much as I can. A cloud of flour covers my boyfriend, and I take a bite and run away quickly. Poor Mickey, he's so trusting. All right, Mickey, don't cry. Take wet wipes to wipe your wet cheeks. Pour some liquid soap into a package of wet wipes. Spread it over the top wipe. Mickey wipes off his face and applies some soap at the same time. You need to wash your face with water after using the wipes. On the other hand, your face will be the cleanest for sure. Mickey falls asleep as he's been tired of looking into his phone. But Sweetie can't miss a chance to take advantage of this nap by no means. She has already prepared selected nail tips. Paint long nail tips with bright nail polish. While Mickey is asleep, I attach the nail tips. Once he wakes up, he starts panicking. Mickey can certainly fight all of his enemies with these killer nails. Once Mickey has new nails, he needs a new manly nail file. He will put it into his girlfriend's makeup bag. Trace a nail file on a piece of sandpaper. Cut it out and attach the sandpaper to one side of the nail file. Snip off the excess. Sweetie laughs at her boyfriend's nails and takes away her nail file. Ouch! It's harsh! It's not a nail file, it's sandpaper! Mickey's taken revenge for his nails. Mickey is fond of intelligent puzzles. It's a pity that the puzzles are not fond of Mickey. Stop turning Rubik's Cube, Mickey! Find an easier activity. And meanwhile, Sweetie will make the cube look better. Tape all the Rubik's Cube parts with glitter decorative tape. Mickey comes back and sees his Rubik's Cubes done. It is entirely covered with a magic blue coat. On the other hand, all the colors are arranged. You may be proud of yourself, Mickey. You've solved Rubik's Cube. Moreover, you're so happy that you're glowing all over. I bet Sweetie dreams of a handsome prince, or of Mickey, so she'd rather wake up and see her imaginary boyfriend in real life. Blow a balloon. Fasten it with a special holder. Make a paper pattern of a beard and a mustache. Trace the template on brown felt and cut it out. Use double-sided tape to attach the beard to the balloon. Sweetie is hugging the balloon so gently. She feels the beard of her darling even when she's asleep, but it appears to be not a prince at all in the morning reality. It's a pathetic, air-filled dummy. It's time to apologize. Mickey has prepared flowers for his girlfriend like a true gentleman. Cover artificial flower buds with pastel of appropriate colors. Add the colored flowers to the bouquet of real flowers. Sweetie is so happy about the bouquet, she sniffs at them and colors her nose with the pastel. Love makes her bloom right away. I will arrange a makeup bag surprise for Sweetie. I will sneak in a light hammer. Cover a mascara tube with acrylic paint. Cut a small rectangular block out of foam plastic. Cut off one edge to make it triangular. Paint the block with silver paint. And attach it to the mascara. Sweetie needs to doll up. Oops! Where does this hammer come from? It is made from foam plastic. But the hammer turns out to hold mascara inside. My boyfriend is a magician! Besides, when Sweetie looks at the mirror, she understands that the flowers in the bouquet were unusual too. Her red nose must be a hot trend of the season. Mickey is napping again, but this time his socks are in trouble. Tie a pair of socks with a rope. I throw his socks onto a chandelier accurately and wake Mickey up. He stirs. Surprise! Our chandelier has some new decor. The socks match the interior. What is in common between adhesive tape and a phone charger? It's Mickey's cunning glance being up to his next prank. Wrap one prong of a charger plug with clear tape. My phone battery has run out. But the charger doesn't work. I call Mickey for help. Let him deal with the gadget. But I find clear tape while Mickey is pretending to understand the laws of physics. It's my turn to prank you, darling. Mickey asks me to hand over a screwdriver. With pleasure. Take this one. I've made it especially for you. Sharpen a regular pencil in the way that it shapes like the tip of a screwdriver. Cut off the metallic part with the eraser and paint the pencil gray. Cover it with silver paint when dry. Make a screwdriver handle from soft clay. Make a fluted handle using a plastic stick. Mickey puts in the screwdriver, but something goes wrong with the screwdriver and with the electricity. He is electrocuted! Poor Mickey! Hold on! Sweetie is frightened in earnest, but it turns out just Mickey's prank. Did you like our couple's pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your beloved one. Will you make a cactus brush, a pencil screwdriver, or maybe confetti tea? And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you won't miss new videos.